Hey guys, this is Kenneth from the PYD Live. Today I will show our new integrated heat press machines. You can see that this is a very integrated size, and it will more state and low cost for the international shippings with the control board integrated in the machines. It can floor print for the 20-ounce and the 30-ounce street tumbler. And about the submarine malt, it can print 2 pieces at one time for the 11 ounce and the 15 ounce. And if you need to customize your logos, we can provide free customer logos on the top of control board. About customer color, MOQ is 50 sets. We will teach you how to use the heat press machines. User manual will shipping with the machines together, or you can download the user manual from our website www.tydlive.com.